We are going to continue our studies of perimeter and area, and today we're going to talk about of triangles. So our goal today is to be able to describe the process and solve for the area and perimeter of triangles. I do want to remind us that just like was said on day one, perimeter is the same for every shape. So perimeter will always be the outside lengths added together. So the length all the way around the shape, no matter how many sides it has, you're adding up the lengths of the shape. Again, don't get it confused with area, because area will change formulas for each shape. So if we are finding the area of a triangle, you're going to use the formula, which we said the formula is specific to the shape. So the formula, base times height divided by 2, or you can think of it as 1/2 of base times height. Because when we find 1/2, we divide by 2. If you notice, there is a new term there, base. So a base of a triangle is going to be the bottom, if you will, that is across from the height. Now, in a couple examples that I'm going to show you here in a moment, the height is not always one of the sides. On different triangles, it has to be the length up the middle, because we are dealing with slanted sides now instead of straight sides like we were with rectangles and squares. And this will make more sense once I show you a couple examples. So if we again are solving for perimeter and then area, so we'll start with perimeter. For perimeter, no matter the shape, we are going to add up these 3 sides. And I didn't write it, but these are all we're talking about in inches. So I'm going to add 7 plus 6 plus 9 will equal my perimeter, and that is 22. So my perimeter is 22 inches. Now, when working on the area, this time, just like was on our example problem on the slides, this is a right angle. This is our height. This one is our base. So it's base times height divided by 2. So like I said, our base, so now I just plug in the different measurements. So base is 6 times height is 7. Then we're going to divide that by 2. 6 times 7, 42, divided by 2, it's going to give us 21. And it's squared inches. Again. All right, we'll try one more, which I wrote the wrong way, so I'll write it. So if we have a triangle that looks more like, sorry, squeaky marker, this one, this is 10, so this is 5, and these are each 7. This is now our height. So we'll walk through that together. Perimeter doesn't change, even though we have an extra number. For perimeter, this is not on the outside. That is showing us the inside, showing us the height. It is not a side length. So do not add this in when dealing with perimeter. So our perimeter is going to be 10 plus 7 plus 7. That's going to give us 24 just inches because it's on the outside. Okay, I did not put that 5 in for perimeter because it is not part of the outside lengths. Now, I will use this for area because area of a triangle equals base times height divided by 2. This is the base, 10 is the base, times that 5 is the height. These 7s are not going to play in to the area equation. So 10 times 5 is the height, then divide by 2. So 10 times 5 we know is 50, divided by 2 will give us 25 square inch, right? So do not let that extra number confuse you, that if that is there, that is being used for the height of the triangle.